Hello and welcome to another Java tutorial. Actually, I will be doing some C tutorials, but I just need to set it up because, Fraps doesn't like C IDs for some reason. But it likes Dr. Java, so I'm doing Java. So today I am doing the Fibonacci sequence. It's a fun little project. It's really small, but it's a nice little mind challenge. If you don't know what the Fibonacci sequence is, it's like 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 1 equals... Yeah, it's like a constant chain. I mean, you'll see it, you'll see how it plays out when it's all said and done, because it's like, kind of hard to explain. So yeah. Yes, let me just start then. So I called it fib, so I'm gonna do public class fib public static void. Oh, and I have to remind myself to do a mini browser with you guys, because that'd be so cool. I made a nice mini browser in Swing, so it's not great at all, because, it only reads, basic HTML and CSS, so it looks really crappy. But it's a browser nonetheless, and so it parses HTML, and so it's cool. It's a cool project. So anyway, let me start this. I'm gonna need int A, B, and C. So because these are the integers that we're working with. These are like last episode we worked with doubles, which allows us to work with decimals. This doesn't incorporate decimals whatsoever, so we won't need these. Thank goodness, because that kind of gets sometimes a little bit messy. So in ABC, and this is something that I've never done yet with you, is a while statement, and a while statement is something that, I'll have to type it up first. Hold on. C equals A plus B. And well, I don't even need to do that. One thing, you can specify the value of an integer right here. So I can say int con equals 1. So this is abbreviated for continue, which is going to be in the while statement. So anyway, so it's A equals 0, B equals 1, and C equals A plus B, which is, I guess, 1. And this is going to be used in the formula later on. So here is the while. Well, actually, let me just see. This is mainly just for me to see what's going on, what it's doing. Print line var config or something. I don't know. And so let me just see what the value of C is, just in case I mess something up. I'd like to see what's going on in the computer's head here. So this is a while statement that I haven't talked to you guys about yet. So it's going to constantly repeat whatever within, I don't know, here. Let me just say, like, I don't know, like it's printing out something in here. It's going to constantly repeat this if integer con equals 1. And you see these two equal signs here? These need to be here if you're specifying whether or not if it's an if statement, a while statement, a for statement, it needs to be there. So we're seeing if integer is equivalent or it's not this equivalent to 1 or something, then repeat this code over and over again. So it's whatever's inside of this this statement here. So it's going to constantly repeat this until, I don't know, something does stuff. So A equals B, B equals C, and C equals A plus B. Alright, so I'm really starting to get into the formula here so that it can accurately create the Fibonacci sequence. because it's really weird. At a certain point, it actually goes into the negatives. So later in the script, we need to make sure that it doesn't go in the negatives or go on forever, because we want to kill the while statement so it doesn't go on forever. So yeah, system dot print line, and I'm gonna do a return statement again, because you know I like being all neat. A, and then I'm just gonna type a bunch of stuff, plus B, plus another like an equal sign, plus C. So now it's going to print out A, the value of A, a plus sign, the value of B, an equal sign, and the value of C. And it's going to print that out. It's going to be a while statement, and if I didn't put the, I don't even know if I need that, but just, so when it prints it out, it's just going to constantly print out whatever is in here for a while. Okay, there we go. And then if C is less than 0, because like I said before, it's going to go into the negatives, and we don't want that, because that would be stupid. Con equals 0. So this is going to kill the while statement, because the while statement only operates if continue equals 1, but in this right here, we're specifying that con now equals 0 if the value of C is less than 0. So yeah, it's gonna do that now. And that means it's gonna kill the whole script basically, because that's gonna be the whole thing. Let me just I think this is good. I might need another bracket somewhere. Oh, no. Now, let's run it and see what happens. There we go. Nice. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. See that? 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And so you see the pattern here, so it constantly does that, and that over and over again, and then eventually it got into the negatives, so it killed the script. So basically this is really what it goes up to. So yeah, that's so this tutorial introduced while statements, if statements, and to make use a fun little project called the making the system print out the Fibonacci sequence. That is always cool. So once again, thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial really helped. Please rate and subscribe if you like the video and you would like to see more.